Good afternoon. My name is Dr. Monique L. Akassi. I am the director for first year writing program here at Howard University. Today is November the 5th, 2024, Election Day. Thank you all for joining me. I would like to give an update on the success of our program for the fall academic year 2024 for our Department of English newsletter. So this year, thus far, from August up until now, has been a year of growth and innovation. And we are very happy and pleased with all of our esteemed faculty in the first year writing program and staff that has made tremendous paradigm shifts under the dynamic leadership of our department chair, Dr. Carol Boyce Davis. As we progress through the academic year, our first year writing program at Howard University continues to grow and innovate, reflecting our dedication to building a vibrant, inclusive, and academically rigorous environment for students. Our events, our workshops, and initiatives thus far are designed not only to enrich students' academic experience, but also to address critical issues around student retention, engagement, and success. So, this semester has been one of growth as we expand our offerings and implement data driven strategies that underscore our commitment to supporting students on the academic journey. So, I like to begin with data driven strategies for success in our first year writing program. So, in our ongoing mission to improve student outcomes, we have initiated a longitudinal quantitative study examining the pass, drop, fail rates in first year writing courses from 2019 to the present. Now, I came on board July 1st, 2024, and one of the first things that I wanted to do as taking on as the new director was to assess longitudinally where have we been and where are we going. So, with this study, it has provided valuable insights into the factors affecting student success and retention while informing the program's current strategies and our future initiatives. Now, the findings from the study reveal notable areas for improvement in student engagement, academic support, and writing skill development, prompting us ultimately to take decisive measures to increase retention, pass rates, and graduation rates. We specifically definitely want to focus on building a bridge between the transition for students from English 102 in the fall to transitioning to English 103 in the spring. We want to be able to merge that gap to increase the pass rate and decrease the drop rate while maintaining retention. And then the same holds true for students taking 104 in the fall and then 105 in the spring. But we especially want to make sure that we merge the gap from 102 to 103. And I'm confident with the measures that we are getting ready to roll out and that we're currently piloting, we will indeed be able to do that. Which brings me to the next topic on the solution. Implementing new measures for student success. So, in response to the study's findings, our program has developed and launched several initiatives to enhance the student success. One being an enhanced early alert system exclusively for our first year writing program courses. So, we've introduced a robust early alert system to proactively identify and support students facing academic challenges. So, with this system, it enables faculty to flag struggling students early in the semester instead of waiting towards the end or midterm. And with this, this system enables us to provide targeted interventions and support services to keep students on track. This initiative has already shown promise in improving students' retention rates as early intervention helps prevent minor issues from escalating into significant barriers to success. We also have adopted our writing center requirement now. In the past, it has been optional, but recognizing the importance of academic support for first year students, we now require students to utilize the Writing Center for major writing assignments. This requirement ensures that students receive individualized guidance, feedback, and resources to strengthen their writing skills, which has been shown to correlate with improved pass rates. The Writing Center's dedicated staff and tutors under the leadership of Professor Mack, they'll be working closely with students to build confidence and develop effective writing habits, which are essential for the academic and professional success. We are also doing a pilot plagiarism and AI policy. So to maintain academic integrity in our increasingly digital world, we have implemented a pilot plagiarism policy and an AI usage policy across our program's common syllabi. These policies are designed to educate students about ethical research and writing practices, fostering accountability while also setting clear guidelines for the responsible use of AI tools. Now, the pilot policies serve as a proactive measure to help students understand the boundaries of technology in academic work, ensuring that they develop their own ideas and voices in their writing. And then finally, also the continuation of our common text and technical writing course revisions. We want to take a deep dive with this. We've already, under the leadership of my predecessor, Dr. Green, had built along with a group common text for English 102, 104, 105, but we also need to continue this by looking at developing a common text for technical writing, English 009, 010, and our English 103. And especially English 103, because this is where we are seeing the highest drop rate and or a final grade of D's or F's, if you will. So aligning these courses with the critical and interdisciplinary themes of our program, we're excited about customizing text for these three particular courses to continue to enhance the academic experience for our first year writing students. By introducing the common text, we aim to create a shared experience for students, encouraging discussions that cross disciplinary lines and fostering a community of learners who can connect their studies to broader societal issues as well. And we're also excited because the students will also play a critical role in helping us to design the custom textbook for 103, 009, and 010. Now, I want to take a look just back at some of our past and upcoming events and initiatives that we've been rolling out this semester. We've had a plethora, and it has been exciting indeed. So our program has been enriched by a series of events and initiatives this semester that aligns with our goals for student engagement, experiential learning, and professional growth and professional development for our esteemed colleagues as well. So reflecting on recent events, so last week's Artificial Intelligence Symposium addressed the implications of artificial intelligence in the classroom, focusing on its impact on teaching, learning, and assessment. This symposium underscored our commitment to integrating emerging technologies into the curriculum in thoughtful and ethical ways. That was an exciting and very eye-opening, if you will, symposium. And we were very grateful for the support of our provost, our dean, our department chair, our keynote speaker, our AI task force, and all of those who presented on the panels at the symposium as well. We also have our ongoing professional development workshop series, and it features weekly, every Thursday, distinguished guest speakers, each bringing unique insights into pedagogy and student engagement. We've had workshops recently, for example, from myself. I presented 2 workshops, one on the history and importance of HBCUs, and also another one recently on AI in higher education. We also were grateful to have Dr. Marina DelSol, who presented her workshop on unconscious bias and assessment practices, challenging faculty to examine how biases might impact grading and student feedback. We also had recently Dr. Wesly Rothman, who led a workshop on from peer review to collaborative revision, redefining the role of revision as a collaborative and empowering process for students. We're also very excited because we will be having Dr. Asao Inoue this week for this Thursday's workshop, as well as Dr. Kendra Mitchell and many other esteemed scholars in the comp-ret field coming up at later days. We also have been really excited. We've had a lot of great success and responses from the Octavia Butler Lecture Series. So our first year students have benefited from thought-provoking keynote addresses, including Dr. Kendra Parker's keynote on Octavia Butler, which has been our common text, and also Dr. Daniel Black's powerful talk on cultural representation. These lectures have enriched students' perspectives on identity, resilience, and social critique, especially as they engage with Octavia Butler's Kindred as the common text that all of our first year writing students have been reading from 102, 103 to 104, 105, and 009 and 010. So looking forward, our program is hosting several exciting upcoming events that will continue to provide valuable experiences for students and faculty alike. For example, we have coming up our Octavia Butler Virtual Student Symposium, which will take place on November 21st, 2024 at noon. Students will showcase their research and reflections on Kindred, connecting literature to their own lives and communities as well. In addition to doing deep dive comparative analyses on other works that are a part of Afrofuturism and genre. We also have this Friday, November the 8th, the Sigma Tau Delta International English Honor Society's Theta chapter. We will have the induction ceremony. It will be at 6:00 p.m. this Friday. This virtual induction will honor new members of our chapter, celebrating their achievements and fostering a sense of pride within our academic community. And we are so excited to have as our keynote speaker Mr. Howard Clay, who is an award-winning film director, screenwriter, and award-winning director and writer of the film Mile 19. We also have, I'm very excited about this as well, our inaugural film festival coming up next semester, entitled Visions of Freedom. This will take place February the 10th through the 14th, 2025. Our Black Film Festival will highlight works by emerging Black filmmakers with screenings and panel discussions that encourage students to engage with film as a medium of social and cultural expression. This is an event that we hope to see happen every year. Very, very exciting. We also have, and this is our our major event for the 24-25 academic year. So our second annual conference, international conference. This year, the theme will be Womanism and Afrofuturism for our second annual conference. It will be virtual. It will take place April 1st, 2025. This interdisciplinary conference will explore themes of race, gender, identity, Afrofuturism, womanism, and the future, offering students opportunities to engage in forward-thinking discussions, presenting on concurrent panels. We will have presentations from not only our students, but our esteemed faculty as well, and also students and faculty both nationally and internationally as well. So we're really excited about this, and we look forward to having select works invited for publication into our next anthology. Now, moving forward with purpose, this is definitely been the hallmark and the goal for our first year writing program and the paradigm shifts that have been taking place for this 2024-2025 academic year. Our first year writing program is committed to fostering an environment where students feel supported, challenged, and inspired. Through our early alert system, our writing center requirements, and intentional curriculum development and professional development for our esteemed colleagues, we are indeed focused on increasing retention, pass rates, and graduation rates. This semester's events, coupled with our new policies and program revisions, reflect our dedication to providing a holistic, enriching academic experience for our students. Together, we are creating a first-year writing program that not only prepares students for academic success, but also empowers them to become thoughtful, engaged citizens and global leaders and lifelong learners. Through this multifaceted approach, we're building a foundation for student success, setting them on a path toward impactful and meaningful lives. Thank you so much, everyone, for your support. Please follow us on TikTok and Instagram. You can find us hashtag HU First Year Writing Program or hashtag HUFYWP. Again, my name is Dr. Monique L. Akassi, Director for First Year Writing Program. You can email me anytime regarding any of the upcoming events and or even for information about participating or engaging with some of our exciting initiatives. I can be reached at monique.akassi@howard.edu. That's monique.akassi@howard.edu. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a wonderful day, and we look forward to seeing you at our next event. Bye.